But is anyone else like afraid of aliens? Because like if a real life alien were to show up on Earth, like I would poop myself. Hey guys, it is smokedalive and welcome back to my channel. We have a very exciting video. It is Jeffree Star Alien Palette time. Ah! Y'all, this is bigger than my head. Literally, this thing is huge. Like, hi. Do I sound like Jeffree? On a real note though, when I saw this palette on Instagram, I literally like almost passed out. Like I was like, and I'm just gonna say this right now. This is my favorite palette ever. Ever. And some of you could say I'm swayed by the packaging, which is probably true, but the formula and the color scheme is bomb. I will tell you the only thing that makes me nervous, but it's probably just me panicking, is when I hold this up, I feel like it's so heavy that this might eventually rip, but I could just be being totally paranoid. This is the inside of the palette. It is cool toned. Cool toned. If you have any warm tone palettes we have out here, I'm bored of seeing it. So when I saw this, I was like, finally something cool toned, because I love me some cool tone looks, and I just feel like the market doesn't really have a lot out there for it, and this is yeah. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shadows out of this palette. I don't have anything negative. Nothing. Okay? And girls, I get into some conspiracy, and guys, I get into some conspiracy theories about aliens in this video because these names were triggering me because I'm afraid of aliens. Like, being abducted, that's not a joke to me. Like, no. That is a fear of mine, okay? If aliens come, buy Caprice. And if you're like, girl, what is that on your lips? It is Jeffree, and this is from the collection in this packaging. So good. I don't have anything bad to say. Alright, so let's get into the video. If you would like to see how I got this tutorial, just keep watching. Oh, and please comment down below all of your alien conspiracies, because I love conspiracies. We're going to go in with the Jeffree Star Drug Lord liquid lipstick. So I'm just going to be putting this on the back of my hand and going in with a Morphe eyebrow brush. I'm just going to put it on the brush, and then I'm just going to go up and down on my eyebrows. There is nothing better than opening a brand new Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So I'm just priming the eyelids with this, and then I'm going to set it with a white eyeshadow, and I will be right back. It is time! We're going to go in with the shade Tall Gray. We're going to go ahead and start buffing this in the crease. This is a Morphe M514. This gray is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Next, we're going to be going in with the shade Ghost Og. This is like a gray, green, black. Like, it's such an interesting color. I don't think I have seen anything like this. And there's zero patchiness, which for this dark greeny gray, I feel like that is a color that probably would normally have issues. I'm going to very lightly drag this towards this inner corner here without putting any extra eyeshadow on the brush. Just what's kind of left over. We're just dragging it in. I actually didn't have any fallout. I have no fallout, but it does have a little bit of kickback, but like nothing to be worried about. Next, we're going to go in with the shade Probe. Oh my gosh, that feels so buttery smooth on the finger. This feels better than his other shimmer shadows. Woo! Does the word probe freak anybody else out? Like, it freaks me out. I don't want to be getting probed by no alien. I'll tell you that much. This color is really pretty. Next, we're going to go in with the shade Black Hole. I am taking a Morphe M433, and I am just going to be deepening up the outer corner with this. Also, do black holes freak you guys out? Because when I think about black holes, I wonder like what's in there or how many people from space have been sucked up in there and the government hasn't told us. This black is my jam. Alright, I'm going to add a little ghost og, that dark gray greeny color. Okay, so on the topic of alien conspiracies, I 100% believe that aliens are real. I actually think aliens are demons. So I believe, people are gonna think I'm crazy. I believe that aliens work with our government and we don't know. Okay, since this is a mini review, first impressions, and tutorial, I figured I would just do my face off camera. This is the typical face routine that I do. So if you're curious of how I do my skin, go ahead and check out my other videos because they are very, very similar. We're going to go ahead and go in with the Morphe Blush in Free. This is the shimmery pink one. And we're just going to start placing this all over those cheekbones. And if you're curious, I am using the Unicorn Black Heart brush set. And then I am going to take a hint on my nose. I mean, you guys are probably like, oh my god, stop with the blush, stop. For highlight, we're going to go in with the Jeffree Star Platinum Skin Frost palette. And I'm going to go in with the shade Alien Ice. Perfect. I'm going in with the Morphe M501 brush. Y'all, this looks so good. I'm going to take it on the nose. I just grabbed a smaller brush. Okay, so now that we have that, I do want to add a little bit of Jeffree Star's Lavender Snow highlighter. And I'm going to continue using that smaller brush. Oh, and we forgot the Cupid's bow. My robe is starting to show off my boobs. Excuse me. Once you tightline, we're going to do the waterline as well. So I'm taking a little itty baby Morphe brush and I'm just going to pack a black shadow on that black liner just to make it stay all day. Next, we're going to go in with the shade Flying Saucer. If you don't like the bright colors, this would be the perfect time to just go in with the black to the Ghost Og into the light gray and then do like a white inner corner. Keep it really simple. Here we go. This is the Sodonolase 407. It's kind of like an angled brush, so I've been really liking it under here lately because it just fits, as you can see, like the contours of your eyes. Ooh, that color's beautiful. I love that there's a flying saucer in there too. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I just realized there's a little human in that flying saucer being sucked up. That'd be terrifying, but that's really cute. I actually believe that I saw an alien thing or something from the government that we were not supposed to see. And I looked up pictures of it, and the only thing that popped up when I looked up pictures was alien saucers. I'm pretty sure I called my mom and was like, yo, I just saw a freaking flying saucer. The aliens are here. Everybody run and start screaming. Taking the same brush that I used for the waterline, we are using it to drag black hole down. And I love this black. Once you go black, you never go back. Dun, dun, dun. Do y'all remember that song? Alright, it's time to go back in that green and start buffing out that black. Oh, this looks so pretty! This is sick. We're going to take a step further and go into the shade Abduction. Abduction. This palette is triggering me, y'all. This, no. I will flip. No. Okay, so we're just going to be dragging this down. Yas! This looks so sick with the Morphe G13 brush. I'm living for this. Oh, this looks so good. I think this might be my favorite tutorial I've ever done. Are you guys like me and you lose your brushes as soon as you set it down? It's like it goes into a black hole and you're like, well, never going to see that again. Next, I'm taking the shade Alien. I'm just taking like a pencil type brush. This is the Urban Decay brush from the Smoke palette, but any inner corner brush that you have will do. Last but not least, we're going to take the shade Pluto. I never highlight my brow bone, but I feel like this is like the perfect time to do it with the bleach brow and just adding some type of separation there from the concealer. Now it is time for lashes and mascara. I'm using the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go in with the Miss Fury Rouge and Rogue lashes, which are my favorite of all of the Rouge and Rogue lashes that I have tried. I'm obsessed. So there is a tiny bit of space between that, so we're just going to go ahead and let those dry, and then we'll squish them together to get rid of that. Okay, next I'm taking these lashes from Eylure. I honestly don't remember the style, but I ended up really not liking them, and I'm just going to cut 2 pieces out for the bottom lash line. And go ahead and let that dry before you do too much. We're going to go in with these Magic Manifest face and body stickers. I found these on Dolls Kill, and I got them with the Black Friday sale. That's a lie. I didn't get them on Black Friday, but I bought them. There. They have like little unicorns and stuff on the packaging. And it's so cute. How cool are these? These are so perfect. Is that cute? Yes? Maybe? No? Kind of? Once they're on, they're on. Okay, so I did get one liquid lipstick from the Jeffree Star Alien Collection, and oh my gosh, this packaging is my favorite he's done. It is so glittery and pretty and beautiful, and I got the shade Clout. Oh my gosh, it's green on the end. How cute is that? So I got the shade Clout. We're gonna let that dry and do a second coat. Ugh. Now I will say I've dipped into this like 4 times to get the metallic that I want, so I wish I didn't take as many coats. I do think though this is the best metallic shade he's come up with. Oh, it's so freaking good. Y'all should like tag Jeffree my photo just to see if we can get a repost. Just saying. Alright guys, this is the finished tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it and all of my conspiracy theories. Don't forget to subscribe and kick up that makeup.